the good people of Kaduna State. In the evening of Saturday, 28th March 2020, I was notified that I had been tested positive for COVID-19 or coronavirus. I immediately made a public disclosure of this sad news and proceeded into isolation under the strict supervision of our medical professionals. I'm delighted to report today that after nearly 4 weeks of observing a strict medical regime, I have now received the all clear after 2 consecutive negative test results. I thank Almighty Allah for His grace and mercy. I also acknowledge with gratitude the massive outpouring of sympathy, prayers, and public support that followed the disclosure of my infection. My family not only went through the trauma of potentially losing a member, but also the risk of being infected as well. The entire family has been supportive as usual, while my many friends and colleagues from across Nigeria and all over the world have sent their prayers and best wishes, and I thank them. I wish to also thank the diligent medical personnel of our State Ministry of Health and the Barodiko Teaching Hospital who managed my case for their dedicated and professional care. It was cheering to see the determined efforts of our State COVID-19 Task Force chaired by the Deputy Governor, the officials of the Ministry of Health, ably led by the Commissioner, and our security and enforcement agencies who collaborated and worked together to manage and contain the spread of COVID-19 in our state. I wish to acknowledge our Deputy Governor, Dr. Hadiza Sabo Balarabe, for her reassuring leadership of our team in my absence. In this trying period, our senior officials have demonstrated admirable commitment and flexibility to provide governance in circumstances that are so different from the old normal. The commitment, competence, and capabilities displayed by the Kaduna State government in my 4-week absence is clear evidence that we now have a public service that we can all be proud of.